You went to bed early, you got your full 8 hours, but you still wake up feeling groggy, heavy, and low on energy. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many people over 55 struggle with unexplained fatigue, even when they're sleeping enough. But here's what most don't realize. It might not be your sleep that's the problem. It could be what you're eating. Today, we'll uncover the hidden foods that silently drain your energy and damage your aging body, and what to eat instead to wake up refreshed, sharp, and strong. Let's start with something important. Sleep is not just about hours, it's about quality. And your body, especially after 55, becomes more sensitive to things that affect deep, restorative sleep. Even if your clock shows 8 hours, your body may not have spent enough time in the stages of sleep that repair muscle, restore energy, and clear brain fog. So what disrupts this process? Surprisingly, one of the biggest culprits is what's sitting on your dinner plate, or what's missing from it. Let's talk about the 3 most common food mistakes that make older adults feel tired, no matter how much sleep they get. First, refined carbs before bed. That includes white bread, pasta, crackers, cookies, even that light snack many people think helps them sleep. Here's the problem. These foods spike your blood sugar, then crash it later in the night. That crash often pulls your body out of deep sleep, even if you don't fully wake up. Your heart rate rises, your cortisol levels increase, and your brain doesn't get the reset it needs. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate high glycemic meals in the evening experienced more nighttime awakenings and reported lower energy the next day. What to do instead? Choose snacks with protein, healthy fats, or fiber. Try a handful of almonds, a slice of turkey, or a small bowl of plain yogurt with chia seeds. These stabilize blood sugar and support deep sleep. Next, inflammatory seed oils. These are in everything, from salad dressings to packaged snacks and fried foods. We're talking about oils like canola, soybean, and corn oil. These oils are processed and high in omega-6 fats, which, when out of balance, trigger low-grade inflammation in the body. Inflammation doesn't just cause joint pain, it also interferes with how your body restores itself at night. It raises stress hormones and can block melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. What's the better choice? Switch to healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or even a small amount of real butter. These fats support hormone balance and reduce inflammation, so your body can rest deeply. Now, we've covered 2 of the big hidden energy drainers, but the third one is the most common of all, and the most overlooked. It's something millions of older adults drink every morning, thinking it gives them energy. But it's secretly doing the opposite. We'll reveal it next. Let's talk about coffee, or more specifically, too much caffeine. We all love a good cup in the morning, and it's true, caffeine can boost alertness. But after age 60, your body becomes more sensitive to how long caffeine stays in your system. Most people don't realize that caffeine can stay in your bloodstream for up to 10 hours. So if you're having more than 1 cup, or drinking it after noon, it could be secretly stealing your deep sleep. And here's the twist. You may not notice you're waking up at night, but your body feels the difference in the morning, more sluggish, more sore, more foggy. What to do instead? Try switching to half-caff or green tea in the afternoon. Or replace your second cup with a warm turmeric latte or herbal tonic that supports sleep and reduces inflammation. And remember, better sleep equals better energy. You're not giving up coffee, you're just being smarter with timing. Let's wrap this up with 3 bonus tips that can instantly boost your energy each morning, without relying on caffeine or sugar. 1. Hydrate before bed, but not too much. Many older adults wake up dehydrated, which makes you feel tired and stiff. Try a small glass of water with a pinch of sea salt before bed. It helps with fluid balance without making you rush to the bathroom at 3 a.m. 2. Magnesium-rich snack at night. Magnesium helps relax your muscles, reduce restless legs, and improve sleep quality. Good sources include pumpkin seeds, dark leafy greens, or a magnesium supplement approved by your doctor. 3. Get morning light within 30 minutes of waking. Sunlight helps reset your body's natural clock and boosts serotonin, which later converts into melatonin to help you sleep better at night. So if you've been waking up tired even after a full night's sleep, don't blame your age. Look at what you're eating, drinking, and doing the night before. Small changes can bring back that energy, that sharpness, and that you thought was gone. Which of these tips will you try tonight? Tell us in the comments. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, science-backed tips for feeling your best after 60. Hit the bell so you don't miss next week's video. 1 spoon before bed rebuilds muscle after 60, fact or fiction?